Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. More than half the people in the world have never made or received a phone call. World's heaviest mango, weighing 4.25 kg, found in Colombia, certified as an official Guinness World Records. The yellow shallow sore behind your mouth is called canker sore, which can be treated by goggling with gingerly oil for 5 minutes. This is India's first fly dining restaurant in Nagawara, Bangalore, Karnataka, where you will be served in mid-air. Hot air is lighter than cold air, hence balloon fly, because the hot air inside weighs less than the air on the outside, causing it to float upwards. 3:44 am is the most common to wake up in the middle of night. John drinks water. This is a YouTube channel where he uploads the video of drinking water every day for the past 9 years. Balloons once made from dried animal bladders are now made from latex. Singers whisper a lot to avoid vocal cord injuries. The outside covering of a basketball is made of synthetic rubber, rubber composition or leather. Using fan in hot temperature will just increase your temperature, as fans circulate all the hot air there towards you, not cooling you. A spool of cigarette paper up to 7,000 meters long is unrolled and a line of tobacco is placed on it. The cigarette paper is then wrapped around the tobacco, forming the cigarette. A coin is not completely 50-50. The head size is slightly heavier and therefore more likely to land on the bottom. Men spend 36% more than women on e-shopping. Apart from India, Fiji is one of the countries where Hindi is official language. Hypochondria is the term for the intense feeling of anxiety and unease you get after searching online for medical diagnosis. When you're holding a baby, raise your eyebrows, don't furrow them. Babies are face observant, so they will be less likely to cry. Chinchillas kept in groups can sometimes have stress convulsions during feeding if they see others from their group getting food first. A parasite that serves the blood vessels in the fish's tongue to fall off, then attaches itself to the stub and becomes the fish's new tongue. Reserve Bank of India issued the Gandhi series banknotes by displaying a portrait of Mahatma Gandhi since its introduction in 1996. The inside of the mouth of a penguin is probably not what we expected. Apple is the first US company to be worth $2 trillion. California just became the first state to ban beauty products tested on animals. When people copy your body language, it's a sign that they're trying to get close. A report by the US Department of Agriculture says that honeybee populations are on the rise. Norway is set to become the 14th European country to ban for farming industries. It takes up to 14 people to tip a sleeping cow over. Rats are protecting elephants on their migration routes across southern Africa, sniffing out landmines that they are too small to trigger. Only 4% of all mammals on earth are wild animals, 60% are farmed animals, and 36% are humans. Italian towns enact law requiring silent fireworks to alleviate pet stress and anxiety. The average mobile phone is broken or lost within 15 months. Red holes, as these objects are called, have unbounded but not infinite redshifts. Small ones can be denser and more massive than neutron stars. Large red holes may lie at the centers of AGNS. In the 2002 movie Spider-Man, the cafeteria scene where Tobey character Peter Parker catches falling food on a tray was done without CGI. It took Tobey 156 takes to get the right shot. An innocent kiss right on the ear opening creates strong suction that tugs on the delicate eardrum, resulting in a recently recognized condition known as cochlear ear kiss injury. Such a kiss can lead not only to permanent hearing loss but a host of other troubling ear symptoms. Squeeze your hand and check if the skin folds along these lines. The primary function of the lines is to help squeeze and stretch the skin of the palm. When you squeeze, the lines pull in the loose skin so that you have a better grip. For the same reasons, we have sharp creases on our fingers. Most popular milk brands in India. Amul is most popular milk in India, but do you know other popular trusted brands? Amul Gujarat, Gokul Maharashtra, Nandini Karnataka, Mother Dairy Delhi, Saras Rajasthan, Avin Tamil Nadu, Milma Kerala, Sanchi Madhya Pradesh. Thanks for watching.